Hey, magical friends, welcome back to the Herb of the Week. Today we're diving into the magical world of mugwort. This is an herb known for enhancing dreams, intuition, and spiritual insight. Mugwort is a sacred herb that has been used for centuries for its protection abilities. It's been used in divination and its ability to enhance dream work. So in ancient Europe, it was used by healers and midwives for protection, for women's health, and for the dream work capabilities that it provided. Romans would place it in sandals to prevent fatigue and protect them on their long journeys. And then in the medieval times, people would hang it over their doorways or burn it to ward off any type of evil spirits or negative energy. Now, spiritually, mugwort can be used for enhancing your intuition, your psychic awareness, for lucid dreaming or dream recall. It's been used for astral projection, astral work, and meditation. A lot of people tend to use it for shadow work and subconscious healing. It's used a lot for protection against any type of negative energy, and it's really good at strengthening divination, such as tarot and scrying or pendulum work. Some other ways, or some ways that you could incorporate mugwort into your practice, would be by burning it as an incense before any type of divination work. You can add it to like dream satchels or little bags, pillow charms, so that it would be really good to place under your pillow for dream work. You could use it in ritual baths before full moons. Carry it in a charm bag for spiritual protection. Place it on altars dedicated to moon or ancestral work. So many different ways that you can incorporate mugwort into your spiritual practice. Now, there are some traditional reasons why it was used in herbalism, or is used in herbalism, because of some of the benefits that it provides, such as it supports digestive discomfort and appetite. It's traditionally used to support menstrual balance and stabilize your cycle. It can encourage relaxation and restful sleep. It can support circulation and warming of the body, so really focusing on that circulation. Mugwort is a powerful herb, but there are just a few safety things to take note of. It's not safe for pregnancy or if you're breastfeeding. And you do want to use a small amount, because a small amount goes a long way. So just a little bit if you want to put it in teas, because too much could be a little overpowering. And if you have any allergies to like ragweed or similar herbs, you may want to be cautious, because this could trigger that same allergy. It's great for dreams, intuition, and it helps with protection, all wrapped up into this little mystical, magical herb. Try it under your pillow in a tea. Place on your altar. Let me know in the comments how you use mugwort. If you like this video, make sure you follow, because we'll be talking about another herb next week. As always, stay magical.